This is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to begin with, you will need to download the third-party app that allows you to do so. The app's name is Caffeine, so let me just enter the Caffeine query at the Play Store search bar. Here is the app that we are looking for. Now we gotta simply install and download the app. And after that, you can just go ahead and launch it. In here, make sure that the timeout section has been set to be infinite, or has to have an infinite value over here. And now just make sure not to close the Caffeine app and ensure that it stays active in the background. And that will be it. Your screen will never go to sleep automatically. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.